Supply chain analytics is a strategic approach that involves the systematic analysis of data related to supply chain activities to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall supply chain performance. It leverages advanced analytical techniques to extract valuable insights from various data sources within the supply chain, including inventory data, logistics information, and supplier performance metrics. One key application of supply chain analytics is demand forecasting, which involves predicting future demand for products based on historical data and market trends. By analyzing factors such as sales data, seasonality, and external influences, companies can optimize inventory levels, prevent stockouts, and improve customer satisfaction. For example, retailers can use predictive analytics to anticipate product demand during peak seasons and adjust their inventory accordingly. Another critical aspect of supply chain analytics is inventory optimization. By analyzing data related to inventory turnover, lead times, and carrying costs, organizations can optimize stock levels and minimize holding costs. This ensures that the right amount of inventory is available at the right time, preventing excess inventory or stockouts. For instance, a manufacturer can use analytics to determine optimal reorder points and quantities, improving overall supply chain efficiency. Supply chain analytics also addresses the challenges of logistics and transportation management. Analyzing data on shipping routes, transportation costs, and delivery performance helps companies optimize their logistics networks, reduce transportation costs, and enhance delivery reliability. For example, a logistics company can use route optimization algorithms to minimize fuel consumption and reduce delivery times. Additionally, supplier performance analytics is crucial in evaluating and managing relationships with suppliers. By analyzing supplier data, organizations can assess factors such as delivery times, quality, and pricing. This helps in identifying high-performing suppliers, mitigating risks, and optimizing the overall supply chain. For instance, a manufacturer can use analytics to identify suppliers that consistently meet quality standards and delivery deadlines. In summary, supply chain analytics empowers organizations to make data-driven decisions, streamline operations, and optimize the entire supply chain process from procurement to delivery. By leveraging analytics, companies can enhance their competitiveness, improve customer satisfaction, and achieve operational excellence in the complex and dynamic field of supply chain management.